Hey YouTube, it's the Expert Boss again, and I just thought I'd do a bike check with all my new parts, show you guys what it looks like. It's kind of early, so it's pretty dark. Guess we'll start from up top. I got ODI bar ends in pink, and I got ODI super soft grips in blue. Primo samsquanch bars in black, and then got the Primo Aneyerlator V2 stem in blue with the copper colored shadow stem bolts. That next I got the stolen vortex bolt in polished. The carbon fiber spacers, and the stolen implant stem with the pink cap, and got Demolition Elite forks in black. Then for my rim, I've got the Animal RS rim laced with pink spokes to a Madera graffiti hub and little crown. And the premium refuse resist tire. It's alright, I guess. And in my frame, I have the premium Guttershark. And then I've got the stolen thermalite seat and seat post in black. Next, I've got the Cult OS sprocket in spline drive in blue with the pink Mechanik hollow trac half-link chain. Then I've got the profile GDH spline drive cranks with blue Eclat / PC pedals. And then I've got this shadow Corvus bottom bracket. I've got the shadow axle bolts. The back rim's the same, Animal RS rim, pink spokes, Madera graffiti hub. And then the Animal ASM-R tire, I'm pretty sure, yeah. ASM-R tire. It's pretty light, it weighs right at 20 pounds, I'm pretty sure, but I think it's like 19.8, not exactly sure. I'll weigh it soon and let you guys know on that, but comment what you think. Thanks.